Hello everyone, I'm doing good. And today I did my review stack, typical. But also, I finally started working on my blog post again, on my blog page again, on my website. I mean, it's basically done, or it's already, but I wanted to do some little changes that I thought, for some intuitive reason, that I just wanted to take a chance at. And yes, it was a little bit of struggle, but not as much as I thought. Or let's say in different places than I thought. And yes, I actually managed finally to get my custom color theme that I worked on for a while, but that didn't work because of some version conflicts with VS Code. Even though it's not possible to use it as a VS Code theme yet, it's still possible. I managed to load it as a custom color theme for my blog page. And yeah, there were a little bit of struggles making some of the colors fit even more, because Next.js for some reason didn't properly update my color changes. So I had to try so many different things, and finally what the solution was just to delete the .next folder, which is basically, as far as I understand it, the caching folder. So yeah, like before that, there were some weird artifacts, like the colors were showing differently in run dev versus run build. They were differently configured, even though obviously it's loading from the same file. So there were some issues with the Next.js caching, but that yeah, I solved that with a little bit of help from my friend, the man, the myth, the legend, Elephant. And yeah, looks really amazing now. I might change it even, like, for example, the orange is not yet the same orange. Actually, I realized that a moment ago. It's not the same orange as I'm using on the blog page. It's a little hex color difference, which is kind of visible. But overall, it looks really amazing, and you will see that soon. Elephant I will make quick happy announcement today as well. We'll have code calls again. We finally, first of all, finally I have completely different schedule now, way more time, and also way more internet access, and also we managed to fit our times better together, because I can't at all in the usual times that we had. Anyway, stuff like that, we managed that, and it will very likely work. And yes, I'm really looking forward to that. Our session that we had yesterday, which we unfortunately didn't record, was just heart opening and mind opening, and yeah, just pure joy of human learning experience. Yes, is there anything else I can say? Yeah, I think I changed. Oh yeah, and there was like a bug, which wasn't actually a bug. I don't know. Is when I click links, yeah, multiple times in dev mode, there was some reference, not a reference error, like some routing error of some deprecated Next.js feature, and I panicked a little bit about that, but I then checked it in build mode, and in build mode there's nothing. Pure bug freeness, pure smooth user experience. So that was actually yeah, another part of today. And yeah, as you can probably feel, there is some more energy back in the whole process. But don't underestimate all the energy that has already been building up by me doing the JavaScript champ puzzles and the JavaScript fundamentals Anki cards, because even though I didn't actually code for pretty fucking sad long time now, the moment I sat on it, I felt like even more routine than I was actually when I was then when I was compared to when I was in the project, like, yeah, I'm buzzing right now, for real, for real. No caps, all caps maybe as well. Whatever. Always be coding until tomorrow. Quack quack.